Want this?
Dum dum da da da, dum dum da 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 da.
Follow my steps. First import you clips. After that go to animation and ADD rock horizontally. Do this to all of the clips. Now export the clip. Now open the project that you just exported. Now reverse that. Put shake 1 to all of them. Now export the clip. Now open the project that you just exported. Now reverse that. Put shake 3 to all of them. Now go to Effects and find Shake and Pixel Blur. Make all the options 100% and make them for microseconds. Copy that 3 times. Do this to all of the clips. Now export the clip.